Hi, it's Tim at Engine Factory. We just finished building this beautiful 383 Chevrolet 460 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1968 Camaro with the Holley Sniper fuel injection installed. Go over some of the highlights on our engine build. We started with a late model 4-bolt main block, 1-piece rear main seal, engine block painted to black with the brass freeze plugs, proper oil pan for the 68 Camaro. We have the AFR aluminum cylinder heads on there. Double roller timing chain installed, brand new timing cover, new balancer. We have the mother thumpr comp cams, roller lifter camshaft installed, roller rocker arms installed and fully adjusted and set. It's real nice Chevrolet valve covers and script, aluminum intake manifold, Holley Sniper fuel injection system on there, throttle cable ball, throttle return spring and bracket. It's real nice 383 stroker air cleaner with a washable filter. The Holley Sniper fuel injection system, the menu screen will be completely dialed in, all the menu settings set ahead of time, ready to go. The engine will be live run. You're going to see a video of your engine running in a stand, manifold vacuum reading, water temperature, oil pressure cold and hot. I'm going to set the ignition timing for you. Again, the menu screen on the Sniper will be all done. This is going to be plug and play, drop in, ready to go. Put the MSD ignition coil on there. Small cap distributor, real important on 68 Camaro for a firewall clearance. That's installed. Manifold vacuum fittings installed for easy vacuum hookups. We have the proper tooth count and balance standard flywheel for the customer's transmission and the 383 Chevy stroker. ARP flywheel bolts, pilot bushings installed, proper balance, high torque mini starter, chrome dipstick and tube installed, PCV ventilation line, heavy duty Russell line on there, all the heavy duty Russell fuel lines with the AN fittings, and the gas filter up the Sniper EFI. We have this real nice black Raptor serpentine pulley kit, heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt, self-tensioning belt tensioner on there, high flow reverse rotation aluminum water pump in black, 160 amp 1-wire hookup alternator. We have the GM Type 2 power steering pump on there. We're going to supply the customer with a power steering line kit, will come there, and the remote reservoir all ready to go. So this way you get it, a fully custom built complete turnkey engine, 383 Chevrolet 460 horsepower with the Holley Sniper fuel injection. Thanks for watching.